In here.
And where? Good.
Yay, you got one!
Here, Daddy will.
Okay, there is...
the bunny.
He already left.
Yeah, you get to go to other people's houses. He goes to everyone's house only when you're asleep. Where do you think the eggs are? I think there's 4 more eggs you need to find. Maybe 5.
Yeah.
Yay!
There's more. Where are the other ones?
Oh, yeah, no.
Those are cool boots.
I don't know, look at the river.
Oh, yay. Are there any birdies? Where are the birdies usually at?
I don't know.
Where are the birdies? Are there any birdies?
There's a squirrel.
There's a crow?
I think
No,
it's a
it's
squirrel.
Oh, a squirrel.
Yeah, that one in the old bushy.
Uh-oh. Dad's gotta go get the squirrel in the bird bag. A bird feeder.
Look up. I think I seen it. Is there
A tree?
next to your piggy? Where's your flying pig?
Right here.
Is that an egg next to your flying pig?
Huh?
Is there an egg up there?
Right here.
There is?
Right there.
Well,